Several teachers were asking how Pear Deck worked in conjunction with Google Slides. So this quick video will show both how it works in conjunction with Google Slides and the Pear Deck pre-made templates. So if I'm in my Google Drive, I can right-click on any slide presentation and I can choose Open With. And then you'll see Pear Deck as one of the options for opening your slide. So that'll open directly in Pear Deck, and you can either edit or present the slide from there. Okay, the other option is to go ahead and open up your Google Slides presentation, and then you'll choose Add-ons. And all Northwest teachers should have the Pear Deck add-on here. So when I go to Add-ons, I'll choose Pear Deck. So you'd go to Add-ons and then you choose Pear Deck and then open up the sidebar. So the sidebar here is what you see, and anywhere, so I'll show you what that looks like. Pear Deck, and then you'll see the option either present with Pear Deck or open up the sidebar right here. So this is the Pear Deck sidebar. This works really good in conjunction with the workshop model because you'll see different recommendations for the beginning of the lesson, during the lesson, and end of the lesson. So if I was ending up the lesson, I could click here, and these are just some pre-made template slides to give you some suggestions. So this one, in 1 minute, write the most important thing from today's lesson. So this is a really simple exit ticket, but you can scroll through and look at the different options for Pear Deck end of the lesson ideas. Draw or type 2 things you learned from today's lesson. And if you like this question, they're all pretty generic, so you can use them for any subject. Then you simply click on the slide, and then you can insert it. It will insert it into your current slides, and it will be there when you go to present in Pear Deck. You can still also edit in Pear Deck and add other things that aren't pre-made templates, but it's nice to know that these are here. Okay, so you'll see that this slide has been inserted into my slides presentation. And if I wanted to present straight from here, I could click on Present with Pear Deck. Finishing up this video, it's always good to know that Pear Deck creates a folder in your Google Drive where it will save all of your decks. It will save if you've got vocabulary terms, student takeaways, so anything that you run in Pear Deck you can easily get to from your Google Drive. So Pear Deck and Google Drive work really well together.